All right, so we got the R&D team here today. The R&D team checks every cover before we ship out. We're kind of the last gatekeeper before he gets boxed up and shipped out. Yesterday, Hunter said that we know our product so well, we've done it so many times that we probably could do it blindfolded.
Man, Brian, I've seen so many of these covers. I guarantee I can check these blindfolded.
Blindfolded?
Yeah.
That's actually a pretty good idea. So we're gonna put everybody to the test. So we got Raul, Christy, and Hunter, and we're gonna have them put a blindfold on. I'm gonna bring out some random covers and see if they can just feel it, see what it is, and I'll pull the covers away. They'll take the blindfolds off, see if they got it right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put your blindfolds on. I'll grab covers. All right. First one. If there's something specific about it that makes you know what it is, holler.
I know this one.
Yeah. Raul's first week.
Yeah, because we gotta guess the color too, remember?
Yeah, exactly. You
Yeah.
gotta smell
Right.
it for the color. We good?
Yep.
Alright. These blindfolds on still. Alright. You can pull your blindfolds off. Alright, Hunter, which cover did you have?
I had the F-150 Work Truck Edition XL, and the year range is going to be 2004 to 2008.
That is absolutely correct. That is correct. Try to stump you with the work pattern. Christy, what'd you get?
I had a CC99 driver side.
What trucks did that go to?
It's going to go to the Tahoe, the Suburban, and the Silverados, from basically 96 to 99.
Absolutely correct. Raul.
I had 5 to, what is it? Oh man, the B7. The 5 to 8 F-150.
404 to 8.
Well, it's medium. I think it's medium pebble. Is that right?
You feeling the green? Actually, it would be the
Yeah,
pebble, so
see?
it really would be 05 to 8.
Yeah.
So you actually did guess the killer. All right, so round one in the books. We're going to throw the blindfolds back on, grab the next round of covers. Blindfold. Round two. Okay. Go ahead, everyone's got a cover. Hunter's done. Raul is done. And Chrissy's done. All right. Wait. All right, blindfolds off. What say you, Hunter?
I had the 2009 and newer Dodge Ram driver's side bottom, perforated with the waterfall leather and air-conditioned seats.
Absolutely correct. There we go. And Christy.
I had a 2006 to 2008 for the 1500s and 2000 up to 2009 for 25 and 3500s. Dodge Ram goes to the Laramie, has the little perf on the side strips, mostly solid leather. And it's the P1 with the
Pattern one, flap. Goes to the mega cab and some of the quad cabs. Absolutely correct. Raul.
2002 to 2010 F-250. 2007 F-250 crew cab. I had to guess. Medium pebble again?
No, I wasn't color. You got the color wrong on this one.
Dang it.
So, but yes, correct color, correct cover, 2 to 7 F-250. Yeah, so we're 2 for 2. So we're gonna grab the next round of covers. See what we got going on now. All right, blindfolds on. All right, last round. They're right up front. Hunter's ready. Christy is ready. Raul. All right, blindfolds off. And Hunter.
I had a driver's side top cover for a 2003 to 2006 Chevy. With the armrest, it's going to be the bucket seat.
Correct. That is correct. Christy.
And 2007 to 2014, GM goes to the GMC and the Chevy, and it was a driver's side.
Yes, it was driver's side. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Raul.
6 to 8 Dodge Ram SLT cloth cover.
Cloth,
P2, so pattern without the big flap.
P2.
Nice.
Gotcha. There it is. There it is. Well, guys, you can see you guys pretty much got every single one of them right. Raul even guessed some of the color because of the grain texture within the year range. It's just the kind of guy Raul is that way. But you can imagine if we can check the covers and identify them blindfolded, how much damage we can do with our blind, with actually being able to see with no blindfolds, checking every one of the orders that go out. We want to make sure that the right thing goes out, the right thing that you ordered. There's no mistakes with the cover. We spend a good bit of time back here every afternoon checking out the covers before they get boxed up, just to limit any kind of problems you may ever have when you get it, to make sure that when you get it, it's right, it's going to go on the first time, you don't have any problems. So yeah, stay tuned for some more fun games like this. This was a good one. We'll come up with some more and put our team to the test. Thanks, guys.